On row 7 with a relief color, we have a stitch combination of 3. We have a diagonal to the right combined with a B stitch combined with a diagonal to the left. And that is going to finish the bird's beak. So the B stitch is going to be here, and the diagonal to the right here, and the diagonal to the left here. Let's try it out. Diagonal is yarn over twice. The B is here, and the diagonal to the right is right to the B, so this will be here. Not much space, but this will do. Yarn through twice, don't pull through last time. Then you make your normal B here. And don't pull through last time. Yarn over twice, and the diagonal to the left is here. And you have 4 loops on the hook, and pull through all 4 loops. Chain 1. So now the bird's beak is just finished.